Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot affiliate program for CRM and marketing leads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with the HubSpot affiliate program, start by visiting the HubSpot website. Navigate to the bottom of the home page. Look for the affiliate program link, usually found in the footer section. Click on that link to access the affiliate program page. Read through the information provided to understand the benefits and requirements. Scroll down to find the Sign Up or Apply Now button. Click that button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a new page where you can create your account. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Ensure that you use a valid email address, as you will need to verify it later. Once you've completed the form, carefully review your information for accuracy. Then, click on the Create Account or Submit button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from HubSpot. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, log in to your new HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate dashboard. Fill in any additional profile information that may be requested. This might include your website URL and social media profiles. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Make sure you understand the commission structure and payment details. Once you agree to the terms, select the option to join the affiliate program. You may need to wait for approval, which can take a few days. Check your email for updates regarding your application status. Once accepted, you can access your unique affiliate links in the dashboard. Start promoting HubSpot products using those affiliate links. Monitor your affiliate performance and earnings through the dashboard. Utilize the marketing materials provided by HubSpot to enhance your promotions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.